So if we turn right, turn around, we can turn left, turn around.
Madden?
Alright, I fixed it. Essentially, what I needed to do was get rid of this branch. Or rather, not the branch, just the do once. So, I don't want to... No, I didn't print... No print screen. Once you get rid of this branch, or the do once, this works just fine. I just need to double check some stuff. Get rid of that. So, why was the do once holding you back? It's my own dumbass fault for wanting to, there we go. For wanting to, let's turn around. Turn around. It's my own dumbass fault for wanting to do, like, redonkulous error checking. So, wait, why were those two things highlighted left, right, and you couldn't move? Well, it goes back to what I was saying. You need to have another. We need to do another thing here. Wait, what? Yeah, we need to do one for up and. So what this was? This is what up and left, up and right, down, etc., etc. So I guess we can do that. Let's do that now. So other trigger choices. I'm gonna duplicate and say third trigger choices. And this one will just be up and left. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Yeah, that's why I was saying you gotta make it numbers based. So up and left. Right and back have to be invisible. So you have to be hidden. Technically it doesn't, this one doesn't have to be hidden. This one doesn't have to be hidden. Wait, is this one hidden? Let's fix that. This one has to be visible. And what about you? You're visible. Okay. So up. What was I gonna say? All right. So now what we need to do is we need to go here. We gotta duplicate. Oh my god. I know. Duplicate. And this one will be 2. And then we gotta go into this trigger choice. Have to have another one for 2. And we move all of this up. We duplicate this again. Plug this in. And we have to say third trigger choice. Oh my god, I see why you were like, oh, we need to, you know, not decision time. Why you wanted to have, like, the universal trigger thing. Yeah, but we can't have that, because God won't let us have nice things. I mean, technically we could if we tried an enum, but no. Anyway, yeah. Okay, so in our third person loop, let's close. Well, I gotta compile this. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Did I do something stupid? What do I mean? Third. Let's go to the graph. I just gotta check on some stuff. Player character, because I feel like I gotta. Yep. So yeah, I was right. So all this we have to change in the all. All right, you have to reset this. Yeah, we have to say third. Wait, no, we don't. Oh my god, I'm being stupid again. No, because this is all being. Never mind. I'm being an idiot. So we have that. We have that. And now we need to do another thing here. Oh my god, this is so ridiculous. Welcome to the world, man. I told you, it happens, dude. So we essentially need, let's duplicate all of this. Let's bring this down. Oh my god, this is so confusing. Yeah, it can be. So in third person, get a reference, plug this in, get rid of that. Plug this in, plug that in, and then go here. Now we have to do some stuff. We have to do some editing here. So on up, we essentially have to get this one. Third person. Trigger point. And yeah, we gotta copy all that. So let's just duplicate this rather than having to go through and manually do that, considering how how fucked we are as it stands. So let's get rid of that, and let's plug this in. Let's plug this in. Let's plug this in as 0. 1. 1 doesn't matter because that's right, so we don't necessarily need that. Well, we need that, but like, fuck. Because it's up, left, back. Right? Right? Let's go here. It's up, left, back for our purposes. So we don't necessarily need this. Alright, so we need the right. We just don't need it. So here's left. Yeah, here's left. So we get rid of that. Take all this and plug this in. I just got to do some checking. So here we are. We're moving left, which means we are here. So I have to go in here, get a reference to trigger point, and it's trigger point 2. So we get rid of this, right? We are turned right, and turned around is false. Good. We're turning left. No. Well, yes. Yes and no. Yes, we are turning left, but remember when we were coming forward to the first trigger, we turned right and we weren't turned around. We have to actually keep in mind of those directions as well, yes. So we have to say, oh, okay, we can't turn left because if we're turning left, that means we're going in the opposite direction. And we can't, so we have to say, okay, we have to make sure turned right is false and turned around is true. Oh my god, really? Yes. Sorry, it's the way it is. So now we have our back. So now we have back, which essentially puts us back here. Hey. So we go into here. Let's duplicate this. Why are we duplicating that? Because target point. Because we need it. We need it. So when we're so essentially this means we're just turned around. So we don't need this. We don't need this. We just need to plug this in. Because we're not turning, we're just turning around. Oh, Christ and a half. Are you kidding me? So we go here. Let's go. We go up. We go up. This, we go up. Okay. I'll fix that. Let's go right. Turn. Right. Turn around. Left. Turn around. I don't know why. I gotta. We'll fix that. So let's see what is. Okay, so let's move this up. So that's for that block. And then we go down to here. It's overlapping the actor. And then there's that. Okay. Now we go here. Let's move this down.
Oh my god, this is the most ridiculous.
Yeah, and we're still not done error checking. But okay, everything's fixed. Lord. Thing up to just keeping track of all these goddamn variables. So if we turn right, turn around, we can turn left, turn around, turn right, turn around, turn around, turn left, keep going. And all the triggers are basically, fixed. So I'll demonstrate it. As far as what that glitch is, I'll get to it in just a second. So I'll just go right, turn around, go left, turn around, go right, turn around, go left, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, turn around, keep going, keep going, keep going. Fuck. That's the turn trigger I'm gonna have to fix with. I'm gonna have to fuck with that too. So how I fixed the UI. First of all, you might be wondering, because we'll fix this too later. But like the main gist is you can like the backtracking stuff has been fixed. So let's get started as to how I fixed that. Essentially, what I did was on this um, on 0, which is going forward, that's fine. If I'm going right, again, it's fine. Just make sure turn right is unchecked, turned around is checked, because technically we are turned around. And then going back on this one, that's fine, but the main thing are these two threads. So if I scroll down, right, and I go to 2, right, on false, so what I did was, instead of turning left being checked as to true, I had to make sure turn right. That has to be set to true, and turned around has to be set to true as well. Set the show mouse cursor, and I basically do that again on the third one, which is all the way down here. Turn left, unchecked. Turn right is true. Turned around is true. So if I compile and I play, we're turning right. And now we turn right, turn left, and then turn left, turn around, turn right. And that's done. That is done. Now we gotta go to the turn trigger. This thing. So, if left turn is false, right, because L turn has to be false. We'll fix this another time, not right now. After getting all the triggers, after getting all that crap done, we'll do something. I'll fill this. I'll because the content was already fucking out of nonsense. So, um, you know what I'm gonna do? What? All these parts for the branching paths are gonna be released 1 week. Like what? Yeah, I'm just gonna release them all in 1 week. Like all of them. Like like um it'll be like this it'll just all be released. Because fuck it. That turn trigger, like I gotta admit, the branching paths nonsense. Yeah, I was not expecting it to be this complex. But then again, this is what happens when I don't go in with scripted stuff, and I still and don't tell me to go in with scripted stuff because it's not gonna happen. Fuck you.
So what are we gonna do next week then?
Next week we will actually start putting in some bells and whistles, footstep sound effects, background music. That's it. Have some triggers where you can get the soul bullets, stay save room and all that shit. But right now, that's all said. That's beside the point. Let's just end it here. Right now, end it here, narrator.
And there you have it. Game developers and assassins. Tune in next week for Matt Doug Dige's Ue5 Killer 7 clone.
Yes. Fuck the branching paths. So glad. I gotta admit, like I said, I wasn't expecting this type of complexity with the fucking branching paths, but and here I thought the dialogue tree was tedious. Dialogue system was tedious. No, this actually tops the tedium. Anyway, boop. Quick little update. So, the reason why the turn trigger wasn't working was because this wasn't plugged into a reset. So, in our turn trigger, when we're in here, like at the bottom, when we're running the false condition over here, where it says set the player rotation, plug that into the reset, and you should be good to go. So, yeah. Keep going, turn right, turn around, go left, keep going, and as you can see, turn around, boom. So there's that. This will be tacked on to the branching paths. Like I said, next week we'll start attaching some bells and whistles. Fuck me.